Good evening, all of you. Now I am discussing maximum minimum question, local maxima and local minima. A window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. Here, rectangle, okay, surmounted by a semicircle. Here, this is open window. But here, length is not here. One rectangle, one side length is not here. Open window. This is width equal to x, length equal to 2y, our assumption. This is also x. This is circumference of the circle. Here semicircle, pi or actually formula. Here semicircle center is this one. This is the radius. This length is 2y. This length is, radius is y. Total diameter 2y. Here radius is y. Here circumference of circle is, semicircle is pi y. Here r is y. Okay. Next, here length equal to length L equal to 2y. Next, breadth B equal to x. Okay. Here window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by semicircle. A perimeter of window is 20 feet. Total perimeter. Perimeter of window. Window is what here? Rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle plus perimeter of semicircle. Here perimeter of window is given 20. Perimeter of circle, perimeter of rectangle, x plus this length is 2y plus x. Here this side is not given. This is open window. Plus perimeter of semicircle, that is pi y. Now here 20 equal to x plus x, 2x plus 2y plus pi y. Here we want 2x, subject x. 20 minus 2y minus 5 equal to here 2x. Okay now. Here 20 minus here y common 2 plus pi equal to by 2 equal to x. X is in terms of y. Here actually two variables perimeter. These two variables converted to one variable. Here one variable x is in terms of only one variable in terms of y. That is x is width equal to 20 into y of 2 plus pi by 2. That is x got it. Now we actually find the maximum area. Maximum area means into window area. Window area. It is denoted by A. Equal to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Area of rectangle L into B. L is, this is x into y, 2y. Plus area of semicircle pi r square, that is circle area. Area of semicircle pi by 2 r square. R equal to here y square. A equal to x into 2x into y. Y is here x value got it. X value what? 20 into 20 minus y of 2 plus pi by 2 into y plus pi y square by 2. 2 cancel. Area equal to 20 into y, 20y. Next to y into y square minus y square of 2 plus pi plus pi y square by 2. 2 20s are 40y minus 2 into y square. 2y square into 2, 4y square. 2y square into pi minus 2 pi y square. Here plus pi y square. Whole by 2. Here 1 by 2, right hand. Whole by 2. A equal to 1 by 2 of 40y minus 4y square. Here 2 pi y square plus pi y square minus pi y square. Here A equal to 1 by 2 of 40y minus y square common, that is 4 plus pi. Here area of the, this is equation 1. This is equation. Now differentiate with respect to x. Here in terms of area is in terms of y. dA by dy equal to 1 by 2 as it is 40 into d by dy of y 1 minus y square differentiation 2 into y power 1, 2 minus 1 into 4 plus pi constant as it is. dy equal to 0. That implies 1 by 2 of 40 minus 2y of 4 plus pi equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0. 40 equal to 2y of 4 plus pi. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Here y equal to 20 by 4 plus pi equal to y. Y value got it. Now dA by dy. Y value got it. dA by dy. But area is maximum from equation. This is equation 1. From 1 again differentiation. dA by dy equal to 1 by 2 of 40 minus 2y of 4 plus pi. Here again differentiation, d square a by dy square equal to 1 by 2 of 40 differentiation 0 minus 2 into y differentiation 1. This is constant, 4 plus pi into 2 constant. That is 2 cancel, minus of 4 plus pi. This is less than 0. Therefore, area is maximum. Area is maximum when d square a by dy square equal to less than 0. D square a by dy square less than 0. Then area is maximum. Now maximum area is what? Maximum area. A equal to 1 by 2 of 40y minus y square of 4 plus pi. That is A. Here y value substitute here. Y equal to 20 by 4 plus pi. A equal to 1 by 2 of 40 into y value 20 by 4 plus pi minus y square value 20 by 20 whole square by 4 plus pi whole square into 4 plus pi. Cancel. Now here 1 by 2 of 4 into 20, 800. 20 square, 400. Here 800 minus 400. 800 by 4 plus pi minus 400 by 4 plus pi. Okay, 1 by 2 of 800 minus 400. 400 by 4 plus pi. 2 ones are 200. Therefore, 200 by 4 plus pi. That is area. If the perimeter of window is 20 feet, find the maximum area. Maximum area is 200 by 4 plus pi. Where y equal to 20 by 4 plus pi. This is the final answer.